Hi guys, this is Venkat. Welcome back to our channel Travel with 26 Letters. In this exclusive video, I am going to present you can versus be able to. Can we use can in place of be able to? No, it's not possible. They have a lot of differences between at the time of using them. What are they? How can they be used in sentences? By explaining some kind of sentences, in this video lesson, I am going to present you exclusively on this topic for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Dear friends, can is a modal helping verb like will, shall, may, might, used to, are to. Generally, can expresses the following things: asking permission, polite request, general ability to give offer. The can be used for expressing the following things. Okay. Usually, can be used in statement and questions like this. Now I am going to tell you the structures by using can. You have to know two things. The first one is after can we need to use V1. V1 means the first form of the verb. Like I can speak, I can talk, I can do, I can go, like that. The second one is irrespective of the subject we need to use can. There is no plural, there is no singular rules applicable here. Every time we use can. Okay. First one, statement. That is the positive statement. First I am going to tell you. I can speak English. Subject is first and then can and then V1. I can speak English means I have the ability to speak English. That is the positive statement. Negative statement. I can't speak English. That means I don't have the ability to speak English. Can't. Can plus not is equal to can't. Okay. Next one, question. Can I speak English? That means do I have the ability to speak English? That is the positive question. In case of negative question, we use can't at the starting of the sentence like this. Can't I speak English? Example, and I'm going to take another example, another verb. Example, I can do dance. I can't do dance. Can I do dance? Can't I do dance? In this way, we have to change the verbs and do more and more exercises to get fluency in English. Next point is, can shows present and future ability in general. In general, can shows ability in present and future. Example, I can speak English. It means right now, at this moment, in this period, I can speak, I have the ability. In future also, I have the same ability. Could shows past ability. If you want to express the past ability, and then we need to use could. Example, when I was young, I could swim fast. When I was young, not now. When I was young, I could swim fast. That means I had the ability to swim fast when I was young, but not now. So in this way, could is used for expressing the past ability. Next thing is be able to. Be able to expresses specific ability. It means in some period of time, in particular time, if you want to say our ability at that time, you need to use be able to. It is a verbal phrase. In case of can, it is a modal helping verb. You know, here be means be forms. We use be forms according to as per tenses and then able to, and then we need to use V1. V1 means the first form of the verb. In case of use in present, able to, we need to use am, is in case of singular. In case of plural, we need to use are in present. In case if you want to use able to in the past, we need to use was in singular or in plural. In case of future, if you want to use able to, we need to place shall be, will be, and then able to, and then V1. That means the first form of the verb. Now, I am going to explain you in all tenses by using able to. First one, present. Present tense. I am able to speak English now. That means at this time, at this period of time, I have the ability to speak English. I am. In case of negative, I am able to speak English now. I am meant. That means I am not. In case of question, am I able to speak English right now? In this way, we can frame easily. We are able to speak many languages. We are, that means in this period of time, at this specific period of time, we are able to speak many languages. That means we have the ability to speak many languages. In case of negative, simple. We aren't able to speak. In case of question, are we able to speak many languages? In this way, we can frame. He is able to learn any language with the help of phone. So, he means third person singular, he or she, and then we need to use is and then able to and then V1, like learn, speak, like that. In case of negative, simple. He isn't able to learn any language. She isn't able to learn any language. In case of question, is he able to learn any language? Is she able to learn any language? In this way, we can frame statements and also questions like this. In case if you want to say specific ability in the present, we need to use am, is, are along with able to. Now I am going to tell you about the past. In case of past, we need to use was, were, singular was, plural were. Example, I was able to dance at the time. At that time means in the past, and that specific period of time I was able to dance. This is the positive. In case of negative, I wasn't able to dance. Was I able to dance? That is the question. We were able to pass the exam easily. We were. Here we is the plural. That's why we need to use were. We were able to pass the exam easily in the past. Of course, if you use were, automatically it tells the action happened in the past. We weren't able to pass the exam easily, that is the negative. In case of question, were we able to pass the exam? Next one, she was able to earn money at any cost. At any cost, she was able to earn money, that is the positive. In case of negative, you can say she wasn't able to earn money at any cost. Next one, future. In case of future, if you want to say specific ability, at the time you need to use will be able to or shall be able to in all subjects. Example, I will be able to write exams in future. They will be able to write exams in future. We shall be able to write exams in future. That means in specific period of time in future, we will have the ability to write exams. In that way, we use all in all tenses able to along with be forms. The flexible point is when we make negative sentence. For example, I am not able to go now. Not able to. Instead of not able to, we can use unable. But it looks a positive sentence, but it gives a negative meaning because there is no any negative word not in this sentence. Okay. He is not able to do that work. Instead of that, we can say he is unable to do that work. Third one is they were not able to read quickly. Instead of that, we can say like this, they were unable to read quickly. She is not able to drive a car. So, in place of that, not able to, we can use unable by saying like this, she is unable to drive a car. Next one, I will not be able to prepare for exam. I will be unable to prepare for exam. Last one, they shall not be able to come. So instead of that, we can say like this, they shall be unable to come. Better understanding, now I am going to use can along with able to in one sentence. Let me explain. I can teach English, but due to lack of time, I am not able to teach at this period of time. I am going to explain. I can teach English. That means I have the ability. In general way, I have the ability to teach English. But right now, due to lack of time, I am not able to teach. I don't have enough time to teach right now. That's why I am unable to teach right now. Instead of that, you can say like this, I am unable to teach now. The second one is, I can sing songs, but because of bad throat, I am not able to sing at this time. I am not able to sing at this time, at this moment because of a bad throat, but I can sing songs. So this is the general ability and this is the not ability in specific time. Third one, I can drive a car, but I am not able to drive right now due to injury. Due to injury, I am not able to drive a car right now. But in general, I can drive a car. Okay friends, that's all about can and able to. If you want to know this kind of interesting things about English, please visit our channel Travel with 26 Letters. And also please press on for bell button for getting latest my notifications. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Take care. Bye.